Here he is asking the question, that is the algebraic sum of the distances of the line ax plus by plus 2 equal to 0 from 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 5 is 0, and the lines bx minus ay plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Cut the coordinate axis at the concyclic points then. Okay, so remember one thing, the algebraic sum of the distances means it is without mod. Okay, so here he has given these points like 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. So from these points the algebraic distances, the sum of distances of these points to this line. Okay, see, we are going to draw the perpendiculars like this. So we are going to find these perpendicular distances from these points to the line. Okay, so the algebraic sum of the distances is 0, it seems. Okay, algebraic sum means, see, while finding out the distance, we use mod, like mod ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root a square plus b square. So this is perpendicular distance formula, right? So when he says that algebraic sum, we shouldn't use this modulus. Okay, just write the formula without mod. Okay, plus the same formula, see, for finding the distance between this point and to the line, we use this formula. So same formula we use for all the 3 points, right? So the line equation is given by ax plus by plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so here we keep this line, and we substitute 1 comma 2 in place of x and y. Okay, so here in place of x1 and y1, we are going to keep 1 and 2. That means it will become 2a. Sorry, I will write once again. So a times 1 plus b times 2 plus 2 divided by root a square plus b square. So this is the distance from this point to this given line. Next, plus the distance of this point to this line is in this formula. See, the numerator will be this, and you have to substitute this point in this one. So a times 2 plus b times 1 plus 2 by root a square plus b square plus keep this point here, and that distance formula like a times 3 plus b times 5 plus 2 divided by root a square plus b square, which is equals to 0. Okay, so here everywhere this is common, right? So that would be common denominator. That common denominator we are sending it to right side. It will become 0. Okay, then we can add only the numerators. So a, 2a, 3a. So a 2a, 3a means what? 6a. Okay, so 6a plus 2b, 1b, 5b. That will be total 8b. Next, 2, 2, 2, 6 equal to 0. So now we have to divide with a 2. Okay, so 3a plus 4b plus 3 is equals to 0. So name this as equation 1. Right. Next statement, what he given, the lines bx minus ay plus 4 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Cut the coordinate axis at concyclic points. Okay, so now I'm going to take the coordinate axis. Okay, so on the coordinate axis, these two lines are there, and they are making the concyclic points. For that means, let us take one line like this. Okay, and take another line, right? So that means these points, like wherever they are intersecting the coordinate axis, those points are concyclic points. Okay, so there is a condition for concyclic points, that is a1 a2 is equal to b1 b2. Okay, so these are the two lines, right? So, yes. So the first line can be taken as a1x, b1y, c1. Second line a2, b2, c2. The coefficients I am telling, and the condition for concyclic points is the product of x coefficients is equal to product of the y coefficients. Okay, so that means b times 3 is equals to minus a times 4. Okay, why I taken that one? Because these two lines are cutting the coordinate axis and making the intercepts. So those intercepts are nothing but the concyclic points. So when they form a concyclic points, the coefficients of the product of x coefficients is equal to product of y coefficients. Then we get this condition. So 3b is equals to minus 4a. Okay, then b is equals to minus 4a divided by 3. Substitute this b value in the equation 1. Or you make it as a value, then you will get minus 3b by 4. Okay, so now we are going to substitute a value in the equation 1. So what is equation 1? 3a plus 4b plus 3 equal to 0. So 3 times minus 3b by 4 plus 4b plus 3 is equals to 0. So minus 9b plus 4 plus 4b, sorry, minus 9b by 4 plus 4b plus 3 is equals to 0. So minus 9b by 4 is equals to minus 3 minus 4b. Send this 4 to that side. Minus 9b is equals to minus 12 minus 16b. Again send this one to here. Then it will become 7b is equals to minus 12. So b is equals to minus 12 by 7. Okay, so this is the b value. Now again substitute the b value in a. Then a is equals to minus 3 by 4 into minus 12 by 7. Then we are going to get uh, here you can cancel 4 1 times, 4 3 times. The answer is 9 by 7. Okay, so now we got the a value and the b value, right? So a is equals to 9 by 7, b is equals to minus 12 by 7. Okay, so in the first option they have given that a plus b is equals to 2 minus 2 by 7. Okay, but why when we calculate this one 9 by 7 plus minus of 12 by 7, we get minus 3 by 7. So that means this is not matching with the option A. Next one, the area of the triangle formed by the line with the coordinate axis is 14 by 5. Okay, right. See, this is a line. It is cutting the coordinate axis, right? Okay, so the line cutting the coordinate axis in this way. So, and it is making a points on y-axis and x-axis. Okay, let the line be ax plus by plus 2 equal to 0. That is given in this option. Okay, right. See, now it is making the x-intercept and it is making the y-intercept. So you know that the point on x-axis will be x comma 0, while the point on y-axis will be 0 comma y. So for finding out this point, you have to substitute y equal to 0. Then you will get like this, ax plus 2 equal to 0, because y is 0, right? So it will become 0, 0 into b 0. Ax plus 2 equal to 0. Then you get ax is equals to minus 2. x is equals to minus 2 divided by a. So we already know the a value, right? So what is the a value? A value is 9 by 7. So here put the a value that there, minus 2 by 9 by 7, that is this 7 will go up, then it will become minus 14 by 9. So that is x value, that means this distance. Okay, this distance is like a mod 14 by 9. Why I'm taking mod? Because um, distance is always positive, right? That's why. So that is x value. So actually the point is minus 14 by 9 comma 0. Okay, this is just a reference diagram. Okay, it's not a true diagram. Yeah. So next, y value. See, in order to get the y value, that means the y-intercept, in order to get y-intercept, you have to keep 0 here. Then you will be getting like by plus 2 equal to 0. It implies by is equals to minus 2, y is equals to minus 2 divided by b. Okay, so what is b value? B value is minus 12 by 7. So substitute that one here. Minus 2 by minus 12 by 7. Okay, then you will get minus 2 into 7 divided by minus 12. Minus minus cancel, 2 1 times, 2 6 times. So the answer is minus 7 by 6. That means this point is going to be 0 comma 7 by 6. So what is this distance, this y-intercept distance? That is 7 by 6. Okay, mod you can do. Next, what is area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is, see, we got a triangle, right, with the help of coordinate axis and the line. So the area of the triangle will be half into base into height. This is the base, this is the height. So the base is 14 by 9 and height is 7 by 6. Okay, so multiply 14 by 9 into 7 by 6. 2 1 times, 2 7 times. So the answer will be 49 divided by 9 into 6, 54. Okay, here also the area is not matching. The second option is not matched. So that means second option is not the right answer. Okay, this area is correct, but here it is given as 14 by 5. So that is wrong. So first one wrong, the second one wrong. Next, the third one we will see. ax plus by plus 3 equal to 0 always passes through the point minus 1 comma 1. Okay, so substitute this minus 1 comma 1 in here. What you will get? Minus a plus b plus 3 equal to 0. So what is the a value? A value is 9 by 7. So minus of 9 by 7 plus b. B is minus of 12 by 7 plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, then here we have two denominators same. Then add the numerators. Then you will get minus 21 by 7 plus 3 equal to 0. So minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. 0 is equals to 0. So we found that LHS is equals to RHS. Yes. So that means this line is satisfying this point by taking the A value and the B value. Okay, so this would be the right answer, third one. And he is asking what is the maximum of A and B. Yeah, so the maximum of A and B is, this is positive value only, right? 9 by 7. But here it is given as 5 by 7, that is wrong. Okay, thank you.